guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys 50 tips and tricks for your small business. Get ready, make sure you have a pen and pencil ready. I'm going to give you 2 seconds, okay? I'm going to give you 2 seconds really quickly. So I have something wrote down right here, and this is actually a gem. I'm actually giving you guys this for free. This is actually available on my website as well. I'm going to basically sum it up. I'm not going to give you guys everything, but I'm going to sum it up. Also, if you want this ebook, it's on my website for $5 or something like that. So yeah, let's get into it. I gave you a little 2 seconds. Okay, period. Create a website. Please and thank you. Nothing that grinds my gears more than somebody like, oh, DM to order. Baby, we're not doing all that. No. Post at 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. If y'all catch the drift, if y'all peep, I post at those times, okay? Faithfully. Sometimes not faithfully, but now that Instagram has a feature that you can schedule posts, it is really, I love it. I'm so happy now because now I can focus on other things like finding customers and creating content. I don't have to focus on, oh, I have to post at this time. I have to set timers to post on time and all that extra stuff to like reach my followers and stuff. So yeah, that have that feature. So if you can take advantage of that, do that, okay? Do not pay for your followers. Do not, and I mean it, do not pay for your followers. It's not worth it. You're gonna have a bunch of like just dummy followers. You're not gonna have that much engagement. Your followers and your engagement is not gonna match, and you're gonna be upset that you didn't organically grow your followers, because then in the long run your advertisers is just a cold audience. You see what I'm saying? It's not just like, you would rather have like real people and real customers that support you than have like fake people and just put on like you just really got a lot of followers just to, you know what I'm saying, look like you're like, you know what I'm saying, something that you're not. Do not use growth apps. Do not use growth apps. And I just do not use growth apps. That's just like, do not pay for followers. Do shout out for with other businesses. I cannot stress this enough. Do shout outs for other businesses that got this like the same follower range than you. That's you. Like, say for instance you got like 500 followers. Say for instance they got 1,000 followers. Ask them for a shout out. Some people that, well, I already knew them. They had like 30,000, 40,000, stuff like that. They gave me shout outs and stuff like that. But if that's how you got to network. That's how. If you network, you know what I'm saying, get your foot in the door, you know what I'm saying, not to get your foot in the door, but network with other businesses, you know what I'm saying, you can do that, you know what I'm saying, ask for shout outs for free. You know, you don't have to pay for a shout out for somebody, you know what I'm saying, and not every time you have to pay for a shout out. Sometimes people just do shout out just off strength, just off GP. They're like, okay, I'm gonna just see what you're about and all that good stuff. Encourage your customers to post with your items. That's how you get more customers, because if they posting and tagging you to their followers, their followers 9 times out of 10, they're gonna come and see what you're about and come see your business, and that is a way for you to get more followers, period. Interact with your followers. I cannot say this enough. I need to really get back on that myself, because I don't really interact like that no more. But interact with your followers. I mean, like, make sure, like, if they tag you in something, repost it. If they DM you a picture, if they, like, you know what I'm saying, repost it. Make sure you're responding to people comments and all that good stuff, so you know people can know, like, okay, she's real. This a real person, okay, period. Try to be as friendly as possible. People, I feel like people get offended really quickly, like in this business. Like, they will try to chop your head off because, like, oh, who you're being smart with. This lady's been smart. They're quick to throw your business under the bus because she being smart. They're quick to say, screenshot the DMs and be like, oh, she cussed me out, blah blah blah, cancel her business. Like, you gotta be careful with that. So try to be as friendly as possible to people, because these people are spending their money with you, because period. Watermark everything you post. Okay, I don't watermark stuff no more because I be like, it's so much. But yeah, when you're first starting out, like, watermark everything you post, because people steal everything. People will literally like screenshot. They won't even crop it sometimes. They will literally screenshot like your post and post it like as if it's theirs. They won't even remove your logo. They won't even put their logo on top of your logo. I had it happen before. I said, you bold. You bogus and bold for that. Okay? Use hashtags on every post. You don't have 30,000 followers, 40,000 followers, 50,000 followers to not be using hashtags, boo. You don't have enough followers yet, so use hashtags on every post, okay? Okay, love ya. Once you hit 10K, you better have that backup, boo. And I feel like at 5K you should have that backup, but have that backup most definitely at 10K, because you don't know what will happen. Post on your story at least 15 to 20 times a day. I would say this is kind of dramatic, but at least 10 times. Like, if you're not a story person, you're not a poster, mostly like post, like repost posts from your page, reels that didn't do numbers, they get more views and more eyes on them on your story and stuff like that. Because I feel like sometimes people see your story before they see your post, and that sometimes it's sad. Like that's sad. That's sad. Leave meaningful comments on other girls' photos, like, to, you know, get customers and stuff like that, as a tactic to get customers, potential customers and stuff like that. Ask your followers to share your post. Like, okay, so like if you just posted something, repost it on your story and be like, oh, like, comment and share and stuff like that, so you can reach a bigger audience as well. Work with popular influencers. Be prepared to pay. They are not cheap. If you want to work with influencers, do that. If you want to, I'm not going to get to that yet, but if you want to market with influencers, do that. But make sure you are careful and make sure you do a background check on those influencers, because some influencers, most of them scam. If y'all remember my last channel, yeah, I did a whole story time on this girl that scammed me. And we're not gonna get into it, because this is a whole new channel, and we're not gonna get into it, because that's old, okay? But I do still have the receipts. Anyway, cross promote on all platforms. I don't care. You cannot just be on one platform. That's why I stopped letting Instagram, and I'm glad I did. Instagram for a minute was my main. I wouldn't even worry about TikTok. I was on TikTok, but I won't worry about it. When I start blowing up on TikTok, that's when I start seeing a lot of growth in my business, honest to God. But yeah, market everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. When I say Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, everywhere you can. Plaster it across the city, you know. Get your business out there. Pop it. Yeah. Post videos often, like how-to videos, like show people like how to do stuff, like mini tutorials. Don't give away all your gems, but you know what I'm saying, do mini tutorial videos, speed it up, you know what I'm saying, and post it. Like, you can't just always do product videos. Try to go live at least twice a month. I go live on TikTok. I will not go live on Instagram, but try to go live on both. I go live on TikTok at least once to twice. That's the least amount of times I have went live on TikTok before. In a month. Take quality photos. Don't nobody want no ashy, low quality, dark photos, okay? Promote yourself. Never miss a day of posting. Do not miss a day. I see people who post, oh, once a month. It's not going to do it. It's not going to get, you know, customers, boo. They were like, are you still open? What happened? Did you disappear? If you're not constantly in front of your audience, they're going to forget about you. Period. Have great sales. 35% and up. Nobody cares about 15%. What's 15%? You have them 15%. This just goes for the next one. Use a 10% as a daily discount. 15% is just like 10%. So don't even. Use your own photos. Do not use stock photos. I just did a video saying this. Do not use stock photos. Make sure you buy, if you want to do like pre-order stuff, make sure you get like samples and take pictures and videos and stuff like that to market and promote your products. Be different. Don't be like nobody else. Be different. Okay? Set yourself apart. Okay? Have a focus with your business. Be in tune with your business. Don't be just everywhere. Be focused on you and your business. You and your business. Okay? Have a giveaway, but make it simple. Don't be having all these rules where people gotta go here, go there, go here. People ain't gonna do that. People ain't gonna do that. Okay? DM people back. And I'm kind of on the fence with this one, but sometimes like DM people back, unless you have like a high following and you have like a high volume of DMs. DM people back. Ask questions in your captions to get more engagement. This really brings up your engagement for your post. Do not fill your page with irrelevant content such as memes, spam photos, pictures from Google, all that good stuff. Don't do that. Don't do that. Search to see Who else is using your hashtags? Like search to see other, like your competition. You gotta scope the scene. Send discount codes to new followers. Like if you get a new follower, be like, hey love, here is blah 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 on your first order. Look for blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah, you spend money to make money. If you don't want to spend no money, extra stage left. You should have been extra stage left, really, if you ain't had no money. But that's yeah. Take photos with a ring light or your flash on. Do not have no dark, low quality photos, because it's not gonna hit like you think it is. Okay. Use at least 15 hashtags per post. Don't overdo it. You can only use up to 30 hashtags, but use at least 15. Okay. Switch up your hashtags every 2 months so you won't get shadow banned or blocked by IG. Do not promote your business under somebody else's photos. I cannot stand this when people come into my live on TikTok and promote their business like on my live. Like, that's annoying. Collaborate with giveaways with other people, with other businesses and stuff like that. Have enough inventory, never run out, never be real low. Stay organized. Create a content schedule so you won't be overwhelmed. Plan your posts. Like I said, Instagram got scheduled posts now. Plan your posts so you won't be overwhelmed and stuff like that. Make sure your business name is easy to pronounce and memorable. Okay, have a theme scheme for your business. Don't have just random color flyers, yellow. I mean, like if it's like a theme, like season theme, okay, cool. But just like everyday business colors, have like a set amount of colors. Have at least 3 colors. I feel like a 3-color palette is enough. Okay. Keep your prices reasonable for your audience. If you have like an audience of like young girls, please don't price your stuff like too expensive and expect your stuff to sell out. Okay. Do not join engagement groups and like I'm saying like follow for follow, or you send your post to this and everybody go like it and then you go don't do that. Okay. Reply to comments. This will boost your engagement. Okay. If you mess up somebody's order, throw them a free item, give them a discount, because like you want to just smooth things over. You don't want to leave a bad taste in their mouth. Okay. If a customer says the item is broken or damaged upon arrival, make sure they send proof and pictures and proceed with caution, because sometimes people just do stuff to do stuff. Be descriptive as possible for your products on your website. Don't nobody want no blank description. If it's the 2 bracelets, okay, cool. Say it's 2 bracelets. Say it. Just say it just because, okay? Have sales on holidays. People feel special. People shop on holidays, period. Be passionate. Last but not least, be passionate about your business, sis. Or bro. Sis or bro. If you're a male or female watching this video, I'm discriminate. Be passionate about your business. Nobody's going to go hard for your business like you. Nobody's going to care about your business like you. Nobody's going to put the time in, the work in, the energy in into your business like you is, okay? You want your business to be successful? Put in the work hard, stop complaining, get off your ass, and grind. Yeah, period. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me if you like this video and what content you want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.